If you want a simple way to turn your kitchen waste into something useful for your garden, this method with a PVC pipe works really well. It doesn't need expensive tools or complicated steps, and once you set it up, it keeps improving your soil for a long time. It's basically a small recycling system right inside your garden bed. To start, take an old PVC pipe that you don't use anymore. Any size will work depending on your space, but make sure it's strong enough to stay in the soil. Now take a soldering iron and make holes all around the pipe. Don't rush this part. Spread the holes evenly from top to bottom and all around the pipe. These holes are important because they let air in and also give earthworms a way to move in and out freely. Worms will help break down the kitchen waste faster, so the more access they have, the better the system works. After the pipe is ready, go to your garden bed or even a large container if that's what you're using. Dig a hole deep enough so that most of the pipe can sit underground. When you place it inside, keep about 3 to 4 inches of the pipe above the soil surface. That small part above the ground will be used later to add kitchen waste. Once the pipe is in position, fill the soil back around it and press it gently so it stands firm and doesn't tilt or move. Now you can start filling it with kitchen waste. Collect things like vegetable peels, fruit skins, tea leaves, coffee grounds, and other organic scraps from your kitchen. It's better if you chop everything into smaller pieces before putting it inside. Smaller pieces break down much faster and also reduce any chance of bad smell. Slowly drop the waste into the pipe and let it settle naturally. You don't need to pack it too tightly. After adding a good amount of kitchen waste, put a handful of compost on top. If you have vermicompost, that's even better. This step helps because compost already contains useful microbes and organisms that speed up the breaking process. Once the pipe is filled, you need to cover the top. You can use mulch, dry leaves, or even a lid to close it off. One simple option is to place a small terracotta pot upside down over the pipe. Make sure the pot has a drainage hole in it. This hole is actually useful because it allows rainwater or watering water to slowly enter the pipe. So whenever it rains or you water your garden, the water will go inside through that opening. As water moves through the kitchen waste inside the pipe, it slowly pulls nutrients out of it. This creates a natural liquid fertilizer that spreads into the surrounding soil. Many people call this compost tea. It feeds the roots of nearby plants and helps them grow stronger and healthier without needing chemical fertilizers.